We're at 701 East Lake Street, Wazyata. You might be thinking, ooh, an MT. But it's actually an HT. Got a 338 right here. 3. It's the motor. Three. Click down to 1. It's nice that's not stupidly loud. Sorry about that. Just COP, 3,000 pound capacity. Schindler MT buttons, the 88 phone. This cab seems nice, but you really can't see it because of the stupid padding. Oh yeah, very nice cab. This run's pretty good. Oh, I even feel it stop. Holy crap. Weird. It's weird it has an MT fire service switch. Ready and. There it goes. And that'll be it.